Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Black Accountant. It's your boy Mo, and if you haven't already done so, you know the drill. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and let me know in the comments of any kind of content you want to see going forward. So today, the screen looks a little bit different. The video format's a little bit different because I am going to be doing another crypto, or the first crypto update on this series that I kind of just started last week, or technically it's been about a week and a half now. But the app that I wanted to show and where I'm investing on doesn't seem to have an actual web page. So I'm going to be sharing from my phone directly. Luckily, with the newer iPhones and like newer technology, you can just record directly from your screen without actually having to download any software, so it always comes in clutch. But I also had to change my wallpaper literally just for this video. Just because I had like a little bit of an embarrassing photo of somebody as my background. But I digress. So pretty much I wanted to focus in on these crypto apps. And I know I had to showcase these websites previously on the last video that I was talking about. So you have these crypto wallet. God, why can't I even talk right now? You have the crypto wallet, you have the Coinbase Pro app, and you have the Coinbase app. So all three of these kind of work in conjunction with each other. And I use CoinMarketCap, which I recently got put onto because of a friend. And we started this investing journey sort of together. So we're kind of sharing resources. But yeah, I had initially invested in Coinbase. And as I had mentioned in the previous video, Coinbase is a really good starter app or a really good starter site to start purchasing and learning about crypto. And then Coinbase Pro is a little bit more advanced. But there is a big drawback and a big issue with these because they have a lot of fees. They eat up a lot of fees, and it's more difficult to invest because you're not just putting in the money that you're planning to invest. You have to put in a little bit extra to cover the multi-levels of fees. There's a gas fee, which comes from purchasing any kind of Ethereum or switching token. So if I wanted to convert my Ethereum into a different type of token or into a different type of cryptocurrency, I'm going to have to pay a gas fee, which tends to be semi-high. There's also a transfer fee. If I wanted to transfer my funds from Coinbase to my wallet, I have to pay a fee. If I want to transfer anything from Coinbase Pro to my crypto wallet, you can't do that directly. I'd have to transfer from Coinbase Pro to Coinbase, which is going to charge me a level of a fee, and then from Coinbase to the Coinbase wallet, which will charge me another fee. So you kind of got to watch out for that a little bit. And that's what I've been noticing in these investments. And I'm just going to walk through these real quick. So I had initially started on Coinbase, and I put in something along the lines of $150 to start when I first did the video. And then I started adding $50 every Friday, or that's what I'm planning to do, to my Ethereum and Bitcoin. You'll notice that the portfolio balance actually did decrease, and that's not because it's performing badly. It did go down in value, but it's because I don't happen to have any Ethereum in my account right now because I did transfer that to my crypto wallet. I still have Bitcoin in here, and that's just the result of the decrease in value, this $134.02. So I started purchasing through Coinbase Pro because they had a lower fee for purchasing, but the gas fee is still pretty high. And then you'll see over here that my portfolio balance is going to be really low as well because it's 38 cents. And that's because I switched my Ethereum from here and transferred it to my Coinbase wallet. So that has my highest balance currently. My available balance is like a decent amount. And that's because I had purchased Ethereum, I purchased Bitcoin, and I purchased Zombie Inu coin, or Zenu coin. And then you're going to see that here when I open my crypto wallet. And it's actually doing very well because I had initially taken out $2,500 to play around with. And out of that initial $2,500 that I put in, almost $600 to $700 of that was just me covering fees. So my actual technical investment is somewhere along a little over $1,500. So considering that that's my actual investment, I've actually made back what I put in. I'd made money on my investments, but I have to make back enough money to cover the fee enough money to cover the gas fees and the transfer fees and everything else. And then anything on top of that would be an actual gain. So therefore I had to make something along the lines of 50%, which is a pretty conservative number. And as you can see here, I did make back technically my initial investment, and I made pretty much $26.23, which is not bad because this is kind of going up in value. What else did I want to mention here? Let me pull up the Zombie Inu coin. So this is actually going crazy right now. I had put in something along the lines of $900, and now it's at 1621 within a week or two. So that's kind of cool. But I use CoinMarketCap, and like I had mentioned, this is something kind of like a cool little app, almost like whenever you're investing in the stock market and you want to see the valuations or read up on any of these different types of currencies. Over here, you're going to look at the top coins that are being traded, and then you're going to look at gainers and losers. So it's kind of straightforward, right? It'll give you these what's making money right now, what's moving well, and what isn't. And then you have like these little news clips at the bottom. You can read different things about it. You can do your own little watch list. So you see all these tokens over here, and then you can go ahead and watch those. What I will say is when it comes to these apps, especially when you're looking at these different wallets, Coinbase, Coinbase Pro, and Coinbase Wallet all have different types of cryptocurrency coins that you can invest in. So not all the same coins are available on every platform. So you got to kind of watch out for that. So if you're finding something on CoinMarket, you really like it, you're looking at it and it has a low market cap and it has a low trading volume at that time, and you kind of want to get into it, make sure that you're using the right platform to be able to purchase that or to be able to convert your Ethereum to purchase that. That's just generally where I'm at right now with that investment. I'm still learning more as I go. It's crazy how quickly you can learn with doing this stuff because it's kind of more of a hands-on type thing. And I know a lot of us are scared to lose our money, especially if you don't have that much to invest going forward. But any kind of investment channel, anybody that you talk to about your money, is when you put in any kind of money into these systems or into these markets, don't get emotionally attached to it. And don't freak out when it drops in value. You should actually start buying as much as possible when the prices drop, and then try to sell when it's high. So Ethereum is kind of here to stay, and that's always something that you want to be able to invest in. I would hold on to that for a really long time. Plus, a lot of coins and cryptocurrency that you want to purchase are Ethereum based, meaning that you'd have your Ethereum that you purchase and convert that into that coin or into that currency. I believe Ethereum 2 is going to be released soon, and that should kind of help with these crazy gas fees at this point in time. And it's just a really good time to invest right now. You know, don't be scared because you've never done this before. It might not be a familiar setting. For me, I've seen too many people that I know actually make money off of this, and I've also missed out on so many different opportunities that I'd prefer not to miss out on other opportunities if I can help it. And if I have the money to be able to kind of like play around with this, then why not? You know, you can start with as little as possible, but you can start off with a little bit more as well. And then for some of these more lucrative coins that jump up and down on a frequent basis, you might need to have a little bit more to be able to play around with it. So like I had given that example of the Zombie Inu coin, I would suggest that you have at least $1,500 or so to start with so that you have some kind of a safety cushion, and that so that you have a decent amount of investment, especially if it's going to have like a really high jump. It's better to have more in your account than less. So if you're able to do that, why not? So that's all I really had for this video today. I'm going to be trying to do these updates at least once a week. If not once a week, then once every other week. And each time I'm going to try to come up with like a little bit more information of what I had learned or garnered in terms of information during that time. I don't know if I'm going to stick around with Coinbase or Coinbase Pro. I'm still looking at other alternatives. I just started looking at Binance, and I'm talking to some of my friends that are invested in crypto. So I want to see like what wallets they're using, how they're going about trading, and then whatever knowledge I learn, I'll try to apply that here and then just put that here. So let's all learn and grow together. If you're starting off new, you know, we're all in the same boat. Or probably we're not all in the same boat, but me and you or whoever is just starting off, we are in the same boat. So let's make sure that you know, within the next year, maybe 2 years even, that we're really turning like great profits and we're in a different place than we were last year. So that's all I had, and I'll see you guys in the next video.